Howdy y'all, TheJTJ here with Introduction to Computer Hardware, Part 2. Inside the tower. Inside the computer case you will find the components that make the computer function. These parts will include the motherboard, processor, hard drive, RAM, expansion cards, power supply, and optical drives. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of your computer and is also known as the main board or logic board. It is the largest board in the computer. All the primary components of a computer are attached to the motherboard, either directly or through wiring. Processor. CPU. A processor is the logic circuitry that responds to and processes the basic instructions that drive a computer. It is the brain of the computer that does all the calculations. Hard disk drive, also known as a hard drive. This is your primary memory storage unit for your computer. The data that is stored on a hard drive is non-volatile, meaning it does not go away when the power has been shut off. The computer's operating system and any applications are stored on the drive, along with any files and folders the user saves. If you're saving any kind of work to your computer, it's saving it to the hard drive. Random access memory, RAM, is memory storage that is used to store operating system and other applications when they have been opened. The data can be quickly accessed by the computer. RAM is volatile memory storage. When the computer is shut down, the data stored in RAM is lost. RAM, unlike your hard drive, is fast. So when you have your applications open, they're open in the RAM so they can be manipulated quickly. However, the downside to RAM is when you shut the computer down or there's a loss in power, that memory that's stored on the RAM or that application is closed and lost. Expansion cards are circuit boards that can be inserted into the motherboard to add functionality to your computer. There are many types of expansion connectors or slots such as AGP, AMR, PCI. Some examples of expansion cards are video cards, sound cards, network cards. Power supply is the hardware component that controls all the power to the other parts. The supply will convert electricity from AC to DC current. Optical drive is a type of disk drive that uses lasers to read content from the optical disc, CD, DVD players. Your DVD player at home that you use for your TV is also an optical drive.